Hey, you folks, Bernakevitch here with All Points Design. That's allpointsdesign.ca. And today we're taking a look at the Oregon State University Permaculture Design Template. Now, as we take a look at the soil map and test, we're taking a look at the test sites specifically. With the test sites, we want to get a sense of where is the site specifically. So we take the image as we took from our testing site location. So we've taken this image and we've brought it in here. And we've just reduced it, again, using the same thing we've done before, where we'll grab that photo, Command C, or right click Command copy, pasted it in, and then found the sizing of it by bringing it over, stretching it to that size, and then double clicking to bring up these crop bars, and then bringing it down to exactly where the site was, and then off clicking, bringing it up here, as we've done so. And then all I've done is I've gone back to the previous slide, grabbed the marker, copied that, and brought that in, Command V, and just placed it exactly where I took that sample. Once you get your sample, and all the instructions are in the assignments, you're going to be working at your cut hole and your percolation test and your ribbon test and your shake jar test. Now, as it said, really focus on trying to find jars that are not rounded at the bottom. This isn't a perfect jar. If you can, find square bottoms, so that way it's not a rounded bottom, but it's more angular. Once that settles out, you're going to put your ruler beside it and take a look at what the percentage is as it comes to the total height of the material. Working in metric is a little easier in this, but you can of course work in imperial. Once you get that, you'll take these horizontal bars, and I turned mine yellow because it was easier to see, and just put them generally where everything was. And then put in what my millimeters were, what the percentage was, and then we go over here to find where all the areas are. So the percentage of clay, and I left this for us to do, percentage of clay is 7%, so we're off 7. And then silt is 32%. So 32% and 7% is about here, which should leave us at about 61%. So yeah, that's almost exactly perfect. So right about here in the sandy loam area. And again, we're looking at being roughly right, not precisely wrong. So that's excellent. Then we go over here. Soil texture is sandy loam. Great. Then we take the water drained in 10 minutes and put it in the percolation, 10 minutes. The feel was pretty gritty. Ribbon length was under 1 inch, as I've put here. And then hand ribbon results was also sandy loam. So these actually matched. You'll find if you work with the ribbon test long-term, and this is what I use all the time, because in a lot of places that I work, like Africa and Cuba, I can't find jars. The ribbon test is actually a little more accurate and is used by quite a number of agrologists in the field. Last thing, we have visual description of the soil pit. So talking about the O horizon and the A horizon, little coloration, bringing in the same information from the previous slides. This is a hot, sunny, dry microclimate, reason tested with potential for front lawn cultivation. And that's it. You'll be doing that for all 3 sites, and I hope you have a great time with it. Feel free to like and subscribe on the channel, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.